This is a water manifold. I'm changing some of these fittings to accommodate some hoses in the bilge. Okay, I'm gonna get ready to start welding in maybe 2 minutes, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
And I'll tell you what type of process this is. This is actually TIG stainless steel.
Okay.
We're doing the process today is TIG stainless steel.
Okay.
Alright, let me pliers here just now. I'm gonna sharpen this.
Sharpen that. Okay.
Then I'm gonna show you. Oh, I just had a pliers here. Where did it go?
Pliers.
Wait, I think I have it outside. I'm not grabbing it.
Okay.
Alright, you want to take a picture. This is tungsten. Okay, it's got to be sharpened for TIG welding and stainless.
Okay.
Okay. Use that one.
Okay, so what are you gonna do next? You're gonna tack a little spot right there?
Yeah. So I'm gonna fuse it.
Okay, like that one. So you're setting the machine setting?
Yeah. I'm giving it out. Alright.
Okay. Safety first.
Alright, safety first. Alright, watch your eyes, okay?
Yeah.
You ready?
Ready?
Alright. See that little spot here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take this now and line up the pipe.
And what does cleaning it do?
Yeah, see that?
Yeah?
You want to take it from, you want to bring it up closer. You can see that well pretty close there. You gotta get it from close so that people can see it.
That's awesome. That's super smooth.
Alright, so now we're gonna do this side now, okay? I'm gonna
Okay.
fold this side.
Yeah?
I'm gonna fold this side and I'm gonna smoothen it out.
And then
okay?
smooth it out. Okay. I'm
Alright.
gonna.
Leave it for like a minute, let it cool.
Let it
and
cool
then
off?
And then we wash it out. See?
Check it out.
That is super, super hot. But you gotta clean it while it's hot because
Super hot. Because what
Yeah.
happens if you don't clean it while it's hot?
once it's cool, the condensation will keep it black. So you gotta clean it while it's hot.
Oh, I see.
Alright, well that one is done.
That one's done. And that's how it's done. How many more do you have to do?
I have one more to do,
Uh-huh.
and then I gotta cap these off.
Cap them off.
Yeah, cap them off, and that's it.
All right.
So you'll be here tomorrow?
I might be here tomorrow.
So if you're here tomorrow, I'm gonna make up this piece now, which actually these two pieces.
Uh-huh.
It's actually, this is just 45, make a 90.
Okay, gotcha.
And I'm gonna weld this together
Weld those
first,
together.
then I'm gonna cut this off and weld this one on.
All right.
So by tomorrow when you get back here, we'll have this one ready for you.
All right, we'll do a follow-up.
Okay?
Thank you, Dave. Good job.